What's up, y'all? So I'm back at home, and I thought I would just share with you all what I picked up from Walmart. At first I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put these groceries away. I'm not gonna film. I just didn't feel like filming, but I know some of you all probably want to see the haul, so why not? So I'm gonna do a, what is this gonna be? It's gonna be a grocery haul. I don't think I got a lot of groceries. I got just a few items that we wanted to get, but I guess it is called a grocery haul. So my son just drunk up the Welchers. This is the fruit punch drink right here. These are pretty good. I just put them in that little cooler from New Air, and it chills them, and they taste great. But before I start this haul off, I had ran to the store and I just threw on a little crop top and some leggings. But what was I going to tell y'all? We had went to Walmart, and I seen these. This was on another day. I still have them in the bag. We had went to Walmart, and I seen these sheets. They're in gray. I think they had gray, white, and a darker gray. These are the hotel style queen 1200 thread count sheet set. They say they're soft cotton rich blend, includes 2 extra pillowcases. It's moisture wicking and wrinkle resistant, and they have these for I think $24.99 or either $25. So I thought that was a deal. So you get the flat fitted, the 4 pillowcases in here. So if you're interested in something like this, go and check Walmart out. I usually kind of like design on my sheets, but that was a real good steal. So let's get into, oh, and then I picked this up because my nose, I am not congested, but my sinuses were messing with me. My nose was running. So this is, stops or it relieves your nose from running, or if it's itchy. Sometimes I have to scratch my nose. So I just got this little Equate. This is the allergy relief. I don't even think this stuff works, to be honest with you. And the change, I stopped over my mother's house, and she said she had too much of this coffee mate, so she ended up giving me this. And she always trying to give me something. She don't like acetone. She likes nail polish remover, so she told me to get that. And some treats for my son. But anyway, okay, let's get on to this haul because I need to put away these groceries. So I like to buy these eggs because they're cheaper. They're the Great Value brand, and you get 36 for about $2. Great Value. Everybody know what eggs look like. My favorite soap to wash up with is the Dow. This is the antibacterial. I like the white bar, not the yellow. And in this house, I like no other towels but white to wash my face, wash off my body. These were 47 cents at Walmart. So I always get $5 worth when I go. And the ones that are kind of like dingy, I just toss them out and get new ones. Picked up some ammonia when I do my laundry or cleaning. This is pretty. I do love the Odovan for cleaning around because it's a disinfectant and you can use it in your laundry, and it's a really great air freshener. This isn't new. This is something that my Aunt Cheryl purchased for us, and yeah, it's like a multi-purpose cleaner. You will love this stuff. This is really good. It's a deodorizer, a sanitizer, a disinfectant, a mildew stat. It's just, you can use it for so many things, so you can look it up and you don't need much. So I just thought I'd just throw that in there. Some red potatoes. I think I might make some salmon and some macaroni, some spinach for tonight, and maybe a sweet potato, maybe a baked sweet potato. I don't know, we shall see, but I plan on cooking today because I don't want to go out today. Some lactate milk. Have you guys ever tried these? These are the El Monterey beef, bean, and cheese flavor chimichangas. I probably am butchering that, but these are pretty good. I like to put them in the oven, and they're like a good snack when you're hungry but you don't want nothing really heavy. Pretty good. And then I just brought some lifesavers to put around the house. some macaroni I'll be making today. Butter from Land O'Lakes. And this is in no particular order, y'all. Some comment for the bathroom. And I don't know if this is new, but this is the Fabuloso Antibacterial Multi-Purpose Cleaner. This is in citrus, let me see, sparkling citrus. Some quesadilla Mexican cheese where we make our tacos, buttermilk Eggo waffles, onion, potatoes, some bananas. I'll be making some spinach later on today, so I picked up 2 bags because when you make the spinach it just wilts down really low, so it's enough for 3 people. And some oranges. I picked up the pumpkin pie spice. This is International Delight. This is a coffee creamer. Some more butter, Aunt Jemima Butter Rich syrup. Some Smuckers. And this is the this is the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch Seasoning Blend. I've never tried this. If you have, let me know if you like it, what you use it on. But yeah, I got that. It says that you can use it on pizza, fries, meat, veggies. We're going to see how it tastes. We love our patty pie, so I got the family size. And we love our chips. So we have hot stuff and barbecue. Okay, you seen I wanted to try this. This is the caramel. I might make this in a few minutes, but this is from Starbucks. And not from Starbucks. It is the brand Starbucks. And I need to wipe this off so that I can put this in the freezer. It is my favorite popsicles. And I purchased some of this granola protein, oats and honey for my yogurt. A really nice snack. And some salmon from Great Value. This is the Wild Cut Pink. That's going to be my lunch for today. Maybe that. Some, you know what? Yeah, that's what I'm going to make. And we like these Morningstar. My husband put me onto these. These are the veggie Morningstar bacon strips. They taste pretty good, especially when you're eating them like with a sandwich or something. Okay, we have bread, my favorite artisanal bakery bread. This is really good and soft. And I like to make like sandwiches with them as well. Okay, we have some Frosted Mini Wheats strawberry. I love this. It's really good. It helps cleanse you out if you need that. Because it's high fiber. And this is just some cereal for the kid. I picked up the Sugar Cookie Toast Crunch for him. It's limited edition. We have Frosted Flakes. Picked up some Jiffy. This is the vegetarian, so that my husband can eat when I make cornbread. So let me wipe this off. I'll be right back because I have just a few more bags to go. Okay, so I'm back. I put away the other stuff, and here is another lactate. We usually get like a gallon and a half a gallon. Some Fruit Smiles. This is the original Fruit Smiles. It has like lemon, grape, orange, strawberry in it. Some cheese to go in the mac and cheese. Some straws. Some Idaho. This is the hand-cut fries. All right, here is some cranberry mango. Some black pepper from Great Value. And a few of the Yoplait. This is strawberry cheesecake. We have one that's a Starburst. That was the only one they had. They have orange cream, French vanilla, another orange cream, and a French vanilla. Now, I picked up the Kerrygold, the garlic and herb butter. I picked this up because I'm making some salmon in a few minutes. Once I get off of here, I'll be making something to eat. And I picked up some hot tamales. This is my favorite. Some toupees. Some wet ones for my purse. This is the Tropical Splash. And I picked up some paprika. We need some of that. And you saw earlier, gotta have that Aquaphor, honey, because my hands is all the way dry. And I picked up some Dove. This is the powder. This is the one that I like. And some more soaps for the house. This is the antibacterial soft soap. I actually like the one that's foam, but I didn't see that or probably just overlooked it. And I picked up this cute little headband. I know it's girly, but I am girly. It's a Pack Party headband, throw confetti. And I thought this was cute. Just to put on. Yeah. Oh, one more item. This is the Zestfully Clean. This is a alcohol antiseptic 80% topical solution. It's just a hand sanitizer. And we picked up some, I picked up some Bold Canadian Dry ginger ale. So yeah, that will complete this here haul. I did pick up some blinds yesterday and today while I was out, because I want to change those blinds out. I don't really like the brown blinds, so I'm changing them out. I can show you. Let me see. They're in here. Hold on one second. Yeah, so I saw these from Better Homes and Garden, and light filtering, room darkening, faux wood, outside light. And I picked up a couple of these, so he's gonna have to put them up. I put up some upstairs, which was really easy. I can't wait. I'll be one of those people that just can't sit back and wait for somebody to do something for me. I'm that girl that just takes the initiative and go ahead and do it myself. Although some things he has to do, but blinds, that ain't nothing. So yep, you guys, hopefully I'll turn on this camera and share with you all what I'm doing. I am about to put away this stuff and start cooking lunch. I'll see you guys in a minute. So I put some sour cream and the packet of cheese that came with this, salt, pepper, season it. I put some milk. What else did I put in here? An egg. And I'm just mixing it up. I'm trying to make me some baked macaroni and cheese. So this is the way I make it when I want to do it fast. I didn't have any Philadelphia cream cheese to put in here, which really don't even matter at this point. But now I'm just gonna add my cheese to my macaroni. A quick lunch meal. Okay, I just seasoned my fish. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. This is the black pepper. I put on the garlic salt and a little bit of this Old Bay. So I just did both sides, as you can see. And now I'm going, and then I'm going to add this. This is the Kerrygold. I'm going to place this and put it in my little skillet. And I'm making my fish and making my spinach. Yes, ma'am. The mac and cheese and the sweet potatoes are in the oven. Maybe about 15 more minutes. Yeah, about 15 more minutes. And it should be done. The mac and cheese is finished. And I'm just waiting on the sweet potatoes. That's why I make the sweet potatoes first, because it takes a little time. And yeah, I'll be back with my finished plates. Alright, my love, so this is my lunch. My salmon, my macaroni, my sweet potatoes, and spinach, and it's not even noon yet. So I'm going to eat this along with a ginger ale. Let me get my ginger ale. I got my ginger ale, and I'm about to smash, so I will see you guys a little bit later. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Brandy Gibbs, and I'm back on your screen. And I am in the car, as you can tell. I am vlogging. Just got off of work, and I'm super excited about that. Just feels good. Not get out these clothes, take a bath, and I don't know if I'm gonna chill or not, because guys, my car was making noise really bad. Well, it wasn't really bad, but it was making noise like I can't explain it. And they think it's the what is it called? Lord help me. The catalytic converter. I'll sit y'all right here. I gotta hold it. But yeah, it's the catalytic converter. I think it's like a piece or something. I don't know what